I made a lawnmower trailer out of lawnmowers. It won't fall apart in 5 minutes either, like some people's trailers. I was going to make it better, but right now you can haul firewood with it. Some horrible person dumped a huge tree right in the middle of my yard. I'm going to try and get rid of some of it. Got a pretty good load. Some people's design, the logs just fall off. It's almost autonomous as well. It's like a Tesla, high tech. We're doing a grade right now. We're doing it great, not falling. Nothing's falling off. I'll give it a push here. Ah. Oh, wrong way. It's only semi-autonomous. Way better than some people's trailers. This compact design, you can back it in right up to the fire ring, you know. When you're getting ready for your weenie roast or whatnot. We're there. Set her off. See, you pull right up. Works real good. Calling it 107% success.